What's going on YouTube? My name is Andy from Little RV Big Life, and today we're going to talk about installing a light fixture. Alright, so if you're new here, please consider subscribing because we do videos just like this one every single Monday, whether it be house maintenance, truck maintenance, car maintenance, RV maintenance, product reviews, everything else. So what we're talking about today is replacing the light fixture right behind me. Nicole actually bought one off Facebook Marketplace for about 20 bucks. This is going to show you just how easy it is to replace a light. Oh, hey guys, while we're down here, I just want to talk to you about this rug. I don't know where Nicole got this thing, but by far it's my favorite thing that she's ever gotten for this house. And she just got it a couple days ago. Now let's talk safety. When you're working with electricity, you're gonna wanna turn that breaker off. Now, some people will tell you, you can just turn off the light switch, everything will be fine. Don't rely on that. Somebody could walk by, hit that light switch, and electrocute you. Don't let that happen. So we're gonna go turn off the breaker and get to fixing this light fixture. We've got our light here behind us. As you can see, one of the shades have been broken. Actually got a new one here. That's the one that we got on Facebook Marketplace. Little puppy action. But yeah, this one has 5 lights on it as opposed to the 4 lights. So we should get a lot more light out of it. We are up here with this light. You can see there's a little nut on here. Take that off, drop that plate down. Now there's going to be a couple wires up here. There's one. There's another one hidden up in here. I'm going to detach these wires. With the power off, you should have 0 issues with these wires. There's not going to be any power to them. Now this particular one has a hook on it, so we can pull the wires down through it and just take it off that hook, and then I can show you more about this bracket. Alright, so as you can see, there's a couple wires hanging out of it. There's usually a black wire, a white wire, and a copper wire that are in there. So those colored wires are going to be your power wires, and the copper wire is going to be your ground wire. Normally goes to that green screw right there. If your fixture has a copper wire on it, it will also get attached to that. So here's your bracket that threads up in there, and this just screws into the sides of your box. Down here with this light, one thing that I like to do, so this is going to be your cover, comes up over top of it. There's a little ring that secures to it, and so that's what holds your cover up. What I like to do is loosen up that ring, drop your cover down. Now there's going to be a threaded rod in here that your wires are going to feed up through. Most of these chandelier types are going to have some type of anchoring point where it clips in. That threaded rod goes up into a bracket. That bracket will screw up into the box that these wires are coming into, the electrical box. I make sure that this is threaded all the way into that anchor. It'll stop, it'll has a positive stop onto it, and then make sure that threaded rod is threaded all the way through this bracket. Tighten down that lock nut so nothing spins on you. That's it. So this is all gonna get thrown up in there. Got our breaker back on. We are gonna go ahead and try this out. Flip the switch here. That's it. So that's how simple it is to change out a light fixture. Now, as a disclaimer, if any of this made you feel uncomfortable, you couldn't follow any of it, please find a trained professional and have them do it. Don't want you to electrocute yourself or get anyone else hurt in the process. But if you have the abilities to do this, you have the abilities to do a lot of other things. So for now, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Every like helps. And for now, I'm Andy, and I will see you in the next video.